Hello folks, welcome. So in this video I'm going to share just one topic, and I think it's crucial for you guys to actually know how we're going to tackle the problem of learning art. It's like solving a puzzle. So I have no like formal art learning background, so you have to be aware of that. I work as a programmer, so when I first stepped into the world of art, I thought art was about because I was as a programmer, so it's like writing code and all the logic and all that. So I thought art is about like randomness, like a pure expression. Like you don't need to actually learn something; you just need to just do this. But you know, maybe some of you think the same. You think that the art is about you have to got some talent in order to create something amazing like wow factor. And art creating, you may thought it's like a free chaotic process. Okay, it's just where emotion just flow into your canvas, whether it's a digital canvas or whether it's a like a pencil and a paper, a piece of paper, or screen or whatever. But throughout all these years, as I like dive deeper and I practice more and learn from a lot of amazing artists, from traditional artists as well as digital artists, and also some like AI, so-called AI artists. I'm not sure this word is like offensive or not. Some people hate be called AI artists. They say they are artists, not AI artists. Some people like prefer to be called like engineers or something like that. So it's just the artists who use AI. Okay, and as I learned from all sort of sources, I began to realize there's something that very important. Like art is like coding, right? So it's not some mysterious process. Art creation is just like writing a bunch of code, and art has its own structures and mythologies. So, while of course it's I'm not denying it's a kind of expression, express what you actually feel at the heart, and but you have to be aware. Like coding is also the expression of the heart, right? Some people say that I wrote code like I wrote a poem. Yeah, maybe they have a point. Anything can be expression of heart, but art is like a direct shock, like bring you visually, or maybe it's a like audio form of art, like music and all that. But you have to be aware of that. Any field, in order to be like you be actually free to just express and the heart to all your audience, to achieve that certain level of freedom actually require rigorous practice. And you need to get the foundation right. You need to get the foundation of all this so-called boring concept, theoretical studies, and maybe history, and yeah, that require practice. So just like when you build the app, like writing the code, the art is not just about pick up a pencil or brush and let you feel out. Um, you should you should combine what you learned, your experience, your understanding of the life that you're experiencing, and the history, the music, the design, even because I sometimes create specific asset for my game or for my app. So you have to make it not only just what you feel, but also you have to be creative, but also be functional. You don't want it's a really weird expression. Of course, artistically, it got more value, but like an art point of view, or if it's like it's an illustration for some books, or if it's some like a commercial, if it's too artsy, other people may not be able to understand it, and it can't create the commercial value. It's not commercial, it's like a business value, economic value. So we have to wait in real life. You have to wait a lot of things, and also you have to combine all this understanding, your understanding of this word, while you're learning and creating art. So that requires you to understand that art creation is not random at all. It's the approach that we have to, you have to learn systematically. So my way of learning art from scratch is to treat it as any subject that human learn. It's a big and serious subject, and you have to tackle that systematically. Just like any other skill, like a coding, like right now learning AI, or learn a certain language, learn an instrument, learn to learn DJ, or learn stand-up comedy. Every subject requires you to reach a certain level in order to be free, and you have to, in order to reach that certain level, you have to tackle that systematically. So that's what we're going to tackle the art learning. We're going to tackle that not just by pure expression, but rather to make that systematically approach.